It's day one of the complete total lockdown here in East Khasi Hills district. I am here in Shillong and we can see that this day one, nobody has come out and all the shops have remained closed. Even the government has informed that there will be no vehicular movement, and we can only see that the vehicles that are plying today are only those with certified passes and those who are exempted from the restrictions that the government has put in place. Now, it is to be mentioned that the government on Wednesday has imposed a total lockdown because the cases were increasing day by day, though they had put in containment measures instead of opting for lockdown, but then to no avail, they had to opt for this total lockdown only in East Khasi Hills district because of the rise of cases. Now, as you can see that even Secretariat also, there were no people to be seen. People who are working in the government offices also weren't working. Even none of the cabinet ministers were there at Secretariat because they have been sent to different districts to assess the situation, and they would be reporting back on Saturday, and there will be a review meeting to decide what will be the next move. While the total complete lockdown in East Khasi Hills district will be for 5 days, what remains to be seen is the government's aim is to break this chain of the virus spreading and the cases increasing. But what remains to be seen is, will this 5 days lockdown be able to curb or to control the spike of cases? Now, remember that in today's cases, what has been reported is that a total of 347 cases have been reported for today, May 6th, which is Thursday, and the total active cases stands at 2,351. This is Princess Rashir here in Shillong for EastMojo.com.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.